Okay, this is the FD 250 Felder horizontal bore with a 6mm hollow chisel in position, and this, as you see it, is the lid of a walnut finger jointed box, approximately a foot by a foot and 3 or 4 inches. This is 6/10 inch thickness walnut for the walls and a 1/4 inch thick walnut for the lid. So this is the inside view of the lid that you see now, and I'm going to run a 6mm square hole in through the edge, and this will be a kerf hinge mounting. I've already cut the slot, but this is a kerf hinge with a spring load on it, and the load makes it impossible to install that style of hinge, which is maybe 1.5 inches long, into the slot without putting a 6mm square hole on one side of the kerf, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I have it jigged up with typical Felder clamps as you see them here, and this will be, because the positions are here and here where I have the pencil line, this front stop is in the way. So we'll unscrew the stop and drop that down. Stop, drop. So then I can go over and make the drill and everything will be lovely. So here we go. 1500 RPM. Just eyeballing it on this one here. A little pull on that one. It's possible to get this just right on the money. See all of that. The 3-phase converter is making a lot of fan noise here. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. So basically what I end up with is kerf. This has a 3 hinge on this particular model. We've got the 6mm kerf, 6mm square chisel, and then the kerf for the that hinge fits in. I'm going to try to pick up the hinge here and give you a look-see at what that is. They're US made. And there's the spring right there. So I'll straighten it out as best I can and take and press that spring centered on the square hole and go on down to a plunge where the barrel of the hinge fits in this top portion here. This bevel is necessary because the hinge allows the lid to go up and open to a position of like 90 or 95 degrees from closed. So this is the way the hinge is right now with this sample piece, and likewise the actual lid itself. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.